Termination of power of attorney. You all have heard that people talk about adhesion contracts. And when you sign your voter registration, job applications, tax forms, ID, driver's licenses, you create a contract with the state. That contract gives them power of attorney. So you always terminate it. You can send one copy of this instead of here to the public defender. You send it to the head of the state bar. You would put the head of the state bar's name, and then Florida Bar Association, Texas Bar Association, their address, city, state, zip, a contact phone number, and an email if known. If you do have a criminal case where they have assigned you an attorney, you will need to do 3 copies of this. 1 to the attorney who they assigned, 2 to the head of the Office of the Public Defender, and the 3rd to the bar as previously discussed. Make sure you put the case number so that they can find you. That is a fictitious one. Don't look it up. This is the text you will need in the document. This is available to cut and paste on YouTube. This document is to be entered into the court record and the private record and the public record, as well as being entered into evidence at the earliest possible opportunity. I hereby put all people and persons on legal and lawful notice that I hereby void and terminate all past and present powers of attorney. This is to include all lawyers and attorneys and barristers and solicitors and esquires and guardians ad litems and guardians and counselors and the like, now and forevermore. According to Corpus Juris Secundum, Volume 7, Attorney and Client, Section 76, Part 4, the attorney's duty to the court is superior to the attorney's duty to a client, since the private duty must yield to the public duty. Therefore, attorneys do not even have a duty to the client. And with that in mind, I will hold court in persona propria sui juris, and I let all involved in this controversy know that I do not consent to the proceedings. I accept no benefit of the state. There's a typo glitch. I hope you will honor this termination and file a motion to withdraw in the court so this decision becomes a matter of court record. Thank you in advance. Your name, address, phone number, and email. Now, how do you mail it to them? You use 9A in the Patriot package, certificate of mailing. You type in your friend's name here who is going to mail it. What do you mail them? Termination of power of attorney, 1 page. This certificate of mailing, 1 page. And the USPS tracking, 1 page. So they get 3 pages to everybody you send it to, the state bar, the Office of the Public Defender, and the individual attorney public defender. With this mailing, and it went to the following person at the following address via USPS certified mail or USPS first class mail. I prefer you use priority mail because you can track it. You can use the return receipt, certified mail, but priority is a little bit better and faster. Mail it to Office of the Public Defender, whoever they are. You change this with each of the three people: State Bar, Public Defender, Individual Attorney. Now this is protection, so you can even have the postal workers mail this. I understand this is only authenticating that I accepted the following documents on behalf of my organization. I heretofore considered only as a custodian of records, and I will transfer the contracts, documents, files, folders, instruments, papers, property, and any and all such items listed herein to the proper terminals and persons. I assume no liability and accept no benefit for these actions. I attest this is true. You have them print their name, sign their name, date it, and give a contact phone number. If they are a USPS employee, they can put the postal number, U.S. Post Office number 1742, and the address of their post office. Very simple. No liability. This is just proof that somebody else put this in the mail for you. Then at the bottom it says, any and all responses shall be directed to me by USPS certified or USPS first class mail at the following address. Your mailing information. Make sure you put all three in the envelope. Mail the termination of power of attorney with a certificate of mailing with a USPS tracking proof that they received it. Bundle it all up, get it out in the mail, and next you will file that with the court to inform the court. A simple notice of termination of attorney. That will be in another video. Thank you for your time. Please follow me. I'm the Lawful Patriot on TikTok, For Patriot Solutions on Facebook and YouTube.